Hi, I am Dr. Ray. Welcome to another patient information session in our series Well Prep with Dr. Ray. Today we will be talking about preparation for endoscopy. Endoscopy is a common procedure, but it's completely normal to have questions about it. Today we'll demystify the process for you. An endoscopy is a procedure that uses a thin, flexible tube called an endoscope to examine your digestive tract. This remarkable tool is equipped with a camera and light, providing a clear view of your throat, stomach, and the initial part of your intestines. It's a crucial instrument used to diagnose a variety of conditions. Preparation for endoscopy is a key step. Here's what you need to do. Firstly, you'll need to fast for several hours before the procedure. This means no eating or drinking, as it ensures we have a clear view during the endoscopy. Secondly, make sure to inform your doctor about any medications you're currently taking. In some instances, you may need to adjust your regular medication regimen. Lastly, on the day of your endoscopy, wear comfortable clothing and leave any jewelry at home. On the day of your procedure, expect the following. Upon arrival, you'll change into a hospital gown for your comfort and privacy. Next, you'll receive a sedative through an IV to help you relax during the procedure. During the endoscopy, you'll be asked to lie on your side. A doctor will then gently guide the endoscope. While it's not painful, you might feel some pressure or discomfort. After the endoscopy, you'll be moved to a recovery area to rest until the effects of the sedative wear off. Feeling sleepy is completely normal. You'll need a ride home after the procedure because it's unsafe to drive after receiving sedation. Finally, you'll receive specific instructions about when you can eat and drink again. Remember, endoscopies are typically safe procedures that provide valuable insights into your health. Don't hesitate to reach out to your healthcare provider if you have any concerns or questions before or after the procedure. Your health and comfort are their top priorities. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to understanding your endoscopy. Knowledge is power, and being informed about the process can alleviate a lot of the anxiety associated with medical procedures. Stay informed, stay healthy, and take care until next time.